Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 18th of April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card for you Sagittarius is the 10 of Wands. You have the 8 of Swords and the 2 of Pentacles. Your person has the Queen of Cups, the 6 of Swords and the Moon card. Bottom of the deck I have the 7 of Pentacles. So there's a lot of patience which is currently required in this situation. Either you or your person has to understand that if you don't have patience, then the situation can become a little more difficult in the future. Okay. Now what I see here for you Sagittarius is you have the 10 of Wands. With the 10 of Wands and the 8 of Swords, okay, I see that you are going through a lot of exhaustion, you feel suppressed, and there could be something that either you have done or you have gone through, okay, where you feel a lot of guilt as well. Okay, now what I'm actually seeing is this is from your end, okay, and this could be because of this 2 of Pentacles energy. With the 2 of Pentacles, it means that, you know, either there were two situations or two people, and because you were not sure and maybe you entertained both of them, okay, that's what is causing a lot of guilt and a lot of suppression to you right now, because you know deep down that there was something that was not correct. What you have done is something that is not right, because you should have told or you know, kept your person in loop that this is what the situation is. Your person on the other hand has the Queen of Cups energy. With that, they have a lot of love for you, okay. So this person loves you a lot and they have a lot of feelings for you and they want to express those feelings to you, but currently I see that they feel that this particular relationship is a burden for them. Now it could be that, you know, this person really loved you, okay, this person had genuine feelings for you, but you did not care about this person's feelings for you, okay, at that point in time. So when this person understood, you know, that you're not just caring about them, they feel that this entire thing is just a burden, okay, it's a one-way street and it is not going to happen. So they've understood that, you know, this is going to turn out to be a disappointment. Now your person also on the other hand has the Moon energy. Now there could be some secrets that either they are not sharing with you, or there are some secrets in this relationship that has impacted this relationship altogether, okay. It could be from your person's end, it could also be from your end, but there were some secrets that definitely played a big role in the kind of, you know, situation that this relationship is in right now. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you this particular week. Spirit, can I have one card here to understand what is the intention? Alright, so the first card that I see is the Justice card. So the Justice card means everything that was, you know, unjust. If there was some kind of injustice that was done either to you or to your person, okay, that will be corrected. Okay, that has to be corrected. And the second thing that can happen for a very few of you is if you or your person is currently going through a legal case, okay, then the verdict will come out in your favor, okay. With the Justice card coming in this reading, if you are going through it, then that's going to happen in your favor. Now let's take another one here. That's the 5 of Swords. Now with the 5 of Swords, this person is willing to fight for this relationship, okay. So if you see, this person still has this sword up, okay, even when the others have, you know, put down their swords and have walked away, this person is still willing to fight, okay, for this relationship. Now let's quickly take another one here. Now that's the 2 of Wands. So if you look over here, you had the 2 of Pentacles, you had the 2 of Wands, okay. So there was definitely a situation where, you know, there were two options. It could be two people, two jobs, two situations, it could be anything, okay. But there were definitely two options and this person took a lot of time, or you took a lot of time to decide which one you want to go through, and maybe that was the secret which has caused all this, okay. Now let's take one card here to see what is the message from archangels for you, and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is the Damotarite. The crystal message is, are you able to imagine your life asking help from the divine? Are you seeking inner peace? It is time to acknowledge that you have the ability to hear, sense or know information and guidance from angel and spirit guides. Realign and develop your spiritual awareness. objectively observe patterns in behavior and shift. Now the message here from Archangel Raziel, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. And that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel, hit the bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.